If you want to change keyboard language on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and 7 FE, then first of all we need to go to Settings. Now we're gonna scroll pretty much all the way down in order to find General Management. And then in these settings, you should be able to find Samsung Keyboard Settings. If you don't see it, you can go to Keyboard instead and go to Samsung Keyboard. Now, in these settings, you can go to Languages and Types, and you should be able to find Manage Input Languages. Over here, you can choose the languages that should be implemented on your keyboard. In my case, I have 2 languages. Let's say I'm gonna also add Korean over here. You can download languages by tapping on this download button, download icon actually on the right side. And you can use this magnifying glass in the top right corner in order to search for a language in case you cannot find it. And once you have it, you should be able to find it on the main screen and cover screen over here. Now, while using the keyboard, you can change the language by tapping on this globe icon on the left side. On the spacebar, you can see the currently selected language. In case you want to get rid of old languages, you can tap on these 3 dots in the top right corner. And if you, well, actually we cannot reorder over here. We can only reorder, but if you want to delete the language, actually you want to go back to Manage Input Languages option and just switch them off. Yeah, so this is how we can get rid of all the languages. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.